Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to use GameStop gift card on Xbox One. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. So here, as you can see, and the quick answer is yes, you can use GameStop gift box on Xbox to purchase items on Xbox. Open Xbox Store app or go to the account tab. You can do all of that stuff. So select a redeem code and then enter your 25 characters prepaid code. You can also use the gift card to purchase content from Microsoft Store online. So it is going to be looking something like that. And yeah, so it does work. So when you purchase a GameStop gift card, it will come with an access code. This code could be used for redeem gift card on Xbox Store. To redeem code, you will need to log into your Xbox account and enter the code at the checkout page. Once the code is redeemed, the gift card will be added to your account balance, and now you can use them to purchase items from the Xbox Store. So that's a pretty simple process. And the answer, and if you're asking that what can you buy with a game store gift card on Xbox, with you can variety of items, like for example including games, in-game purchases, DLCs and more. You can also use gift cards to purchase Xbox Live Gold subscriptions, Xbox Game Pass subscriptions, and other Xbox services. Additionally, you can use a gift card to purchase gift card from other stores such as Amazon and Best Buy. So yeah, that explains pretty much it. And make sure to actually redeem your GameStop gift card on Xbox. Thank you so much for watching and see you around the next couple of videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.